Amir Khan is undoubtedly one of the most versatile actors we have in Bollywood today. Talking to the students at Bennett University Convocation 2020 on Thursday, Amir revealed that after his debut film Kayamat Se Kayamat Tak, he was not very happy with the films he was doing. The actor revealed that he was called a one-film wonder after his debut movie. Watch what he had to say.
At that time, the directors I wanted to work with were not wanting to work with me. They were, it was earlier at that time. It was also more difficult to break in. You may have one success, but the top directors still weren't working with you. So you have to really convince them that that they want to work with you. And in the first year of me becoming an actor professionally, I signed some 8 or 9 films because the directors were all new or unknown at that time, most of them. And these films started, not doing well. And when these films started bombing, and I was being called one film wonder by the media, and rightly so, because I just had one film and that was it. And after that, I was just giving bombs. And my career was sinking. I felt like I'm in quicksand. And at that time, I remember that when I was doing these 8-9 films, I was shooting for these 8-9 films, used to be so unhappy. I used to be very unhappy with the work I was doing. And I don't want to name these films because, there are people involved in all of these films. But importantly, after QSQT, I was not happy with the work I was doing. And I didn't know what to do, because once you commit to a film, you have to complete the film. So I used to come home and I used to cry. And at that time, I swore to myself that no matter what happens, I'm not ever going to sign another film, even if it means my career is going to end. But I'm only going to do work now that I'm really happy about, which means great script, great director, great producer. Otherwise, I'm not taking on a film. And I stopped signing films. But the ones I had already signed had started releasing and they started bombing, and I was called one film wonder. And I was at a stage when I felt that अभी मेरी 3-4 फिल्में आई हैं जो चली नहीं है, जो बाकी की 3-4 आनी है वो मुझे पता है कितनी बुरी है, पब्लिक को नहीं पता है. तो I know I'm in deep trouble. But I'm still not signing a film because I don't want to sign a film unless I'm totally happy. And at that time, I got a call from Mr. Mahesh Bhatt. Bhatt Saab was on the peak of his career as a director. He had made Saransh, Arth, and Naam. All 3 more successful than the previous. And he called me and offered me a film. I went to meet him. I heard the story. And I didn't like the script. So at that time, Anshul, I didn't know what to do. Because if I said yes to Bhatt Saab, he was such a big director at that time that just the announcement that Bhatt Saab has signed Amir would give me a new lease of life. I would get 3 more years of flops coming out. Yaar, Bhatt Saab ki film aayegi, tab tak dekhenge. So the practical thing would be to sign Bhatt Saab's film. But I had promised myself that unless I love what I'm doing, unless I'm totally confident of the director, the script, and the producer, unless I'm fully in love with what I'm doing, I'm not going to be doing the film. And here was a script I had not liked. So should I compromise with my principles? Should I compromise with what I felt I should do? Should I compromise with my heart and my feelings, and be practical? Or should I be honest to what I believe in? So anyway, that 24 hours was the most difficult for me. And part of me kept saying, Amir, be practical. जान है तो जहान है. जब तू करियर में तेरा करियर तब तो इंडस्ट्री में होगा तब तो अच्छा काम कर पाएगा. तो पहले इंडस्ट्री में तो रुक, तो साइन कर ले, हाँ बोल दे, इवन इफ यू डोंट लाइक द स्क्रिप्ट. 2 साल लगेंगे बनने में, तब तक और फिल्में आ जाएंगी. Next day I went to meet Bhatt Saab, and I was as confused when I went to meet him. I didn't know what to say to him. So when I went to meet him, I said, Bhatt Saab, I don't know, but I think I should be honest to you. I have not liked the script. And who am I to tell you that? I'm a newcomer. मेरी तो अभी 1 फिल्म 2 फिल्म 2-3-4 फिल्में लगी हैं जो चली भी नहीं है. तो मैं कौन होता हूँ आपको बोलने वाला कि यार आपकी स्क्रिप्ट मुझे पसंद नहीं आई. But the fact is that I didn't get into it. And therefore I have to say no, and I can't do the film. And I know that after this, I might never get to work with you again because it might annoy you and all that. But I don't know. I have to be honest to myself. So that day, Vineet, I went to him and I told him that, sorry, sir, but I won't be able to do the film. Bhatt Saab was very sweet about it. Bhatt Saab told me, no, of course not. You should not do a film if you don't want to do it. Karke, वो वहां बात खत्म हो गई. Then later next year I did a film with him called Dil Hai Ke Mante Nahi. That happened later. But why I'm telling you the story is that I believe that if I had said yes to Bhatt Saab at that time, and I had compromised with what I felt, with my own conscience, with my own beliefs, with my own heart, if I had compromised with that, then my entire career after that would have been one compromise after the other. And when I had the strength, when my back was against the wall, when I was in quicksand and Bhatt Saab was putting his hand out, I had to only hold his hand and he would pull me out. जब मैं quicksand यहां तक था और मेरे पास कोई रास्ता नहीं था, फिर भी मैंने बोला कि नहीं, I'm going to stick to what I believe in. And I said no. When I came home that day after saying no, I felt a strange amount of strength. I suddenly felt, that I've done the right thing and I'm going to do it my way. Now, I don't know whether this story makes sense to all of you, but I believe that because on that day when I was at my weakest, I could still hold on to what I believed in. And I could find the strength within me to do that. That gave me a lot of confidence. And that gave me the confidence and strength to go on to do the work that I finally did. And I think that is something that I would like the young kids to think about, is that when you're in a situation, all of us will go through ups and downs. You'll always go through ups and downs. So when you're in a situation, if you are able to find the strength to not compromise with what you believe in, it might work for you. I don't know. It worked for me.
Meanwhile, on the work front, Aamir will next be seen in Lal Singh Chaddha, co-starring Kareena Kapoor Khan.